Hello, I'm Steiner, publisher of Atlantic City Weekly. We're here tonight at Sammy's Beach Bar, getting ready for the Whalers.
Well, it's so good to know, that we are still here carrying on it, because we are all voluntary chosen for the mission.
The Whalers introduced reggae to not only mainstream America, but to the world, to the globe, back in the late 60s. So what is it about reggae that so many people love?
Well, you see, I am the architect of reggae, and reggae is the heartbeat of the people. It carries that heavy messages of roots, cultures, and reality. See, the reggae music, it is for all ages, and it's for all times. It's for both past, present, and the future. Future music, that's the reggae. And as I said, carry the messages of roots, culture, and reality, and to bring all nations together.
Can you tell us some of the songs that the Whalers will be performing tonight?
Well, of course, you'll be hearing your No Woman No Cry, Is This Love, Could You Be Loved, redemption songs, so many things to say, guiltiness, roots, rock, reggae.